Arknights. Arknights.
Administrator, you all right? Are you hurt? I'm okay, but we'll have to walk the rest of the way. The angle I even managed to reach this place. The situation in the field is far more severe than our previous estimates. I actually hoped for a gentler reception than this. The hub base still isn't picking up our calls. We need to hurry. This Angelos looks dangerous. We need to be cautious. We can focus our attacks to bring down its defenses.
Gotcha!
Administrator, let's use the same tactics to take down the remaining enemies.
This ends now! Gotcha! This ends now!
The gate looks severely damaged. I don't think we can open it. Administrator, let's look for another way around this. This rope looks sturdy. Some of the survivors probably left it here. This should be the way. Let's continue, Benjamin. That is an anchor. Anchors are capable of spawning Angeloid. They pose a major threat to Talos too. We must find the survivors. And quickly. Break through here ASAP. Time to adopt team combat tactics. Entman. Here's our chance! Seize the chance to press the attack. Our strikes are more effective when we coordinate. Let's take down these enemies together. Strike command! Ready. Here's our chance!
Gotcha! Get crushed!
Terminate! Ready. Here's our chance! The damages are so severe. Director Chen has always kept the hub base in good order. But if she lost control of the area, things inside the base could get bad. I hope for the safety of our people. Look there, Endman. We must act now.
Like this nonsense! We got a big one incoming! Get to cover! We need to fall back and regroup!
Lead them to us. Carefully. Target locked! Strike command! Terminate! Push forward!
Picture it!
Supervisor Perlica, you arrived at just the right time. Our temporary defenses have been breached. If you weren't here...
And I'm glad that you're all right, Director Chin. I believe you have a sit rep for me.
Yes, an anchor fell right into the base. The thing won't stop spawning the Angeloi. We've sent all our injured personnel to the control tower. There are just too many Angeloi, and they will overrun our security division.
We must find a way to stop the anchor.
Supervisor Perlica, may I ask who this...
Ah, of course. This is our Administrator.
Administrator? Are we talking about the Administrator? Apologies. Many operators in Valley 4 have never seen you before, Endman. News of your awakening gave rise to plenty of gossip and rumors. When we received the message from Dijon, the entire crew tried to plan a welcoming ceremony. But just a few days later, we were suddenly attacked. I didn't expect you to arrive here in the midst of the battle.
We're here to help, Director Chin. Do we have any news about the missing personnel? How many of our people are outside the base?
It's hard to say. The Angoloi just kept attacking. Security
People here are in danger. I suggest we delay our earlier arrangements, Administrator. Good, Administrator. I knew you would say that. Director Chin, we'll handle the hostiles in the base and direct any of your missing staff to the control tower for safety.
Ah, wonderful. Your help will set my mind at ease. Good luck out there.
By the way, I'm not seeing Mr. Andre anywhere. Where is he right now?
Ugh, that silly old man. He went off trying to be a hero again. That fool never stops treating his projects with far more respect than his own feathery hide. Anyway, if you see that old fool, tie him up and haul him back to the control tower. This might be the only safe place left in the base.
We'll find him. Have faith in us. The anchor at the old factory is still spawning Angoloi. We must first eliminate this threat. The stabilizing core of the anchor is its weakness. Take that out, and the entire construct will disintegrate. The core itself is fragile, but the real challenge is the Angoloi swarming around it. The tough fight is a cluster of smaller Angoloi. We must stop them.
Stay strong, people! We're winning! 2 more! Stay in the fight!
Are you all right?
Supervisor Perlica. Thank goodness you're finally here. We assembled here after the anchor fall and managed to hold on to this place. I understand, but I must tend to the wounded. Wait, you're injured as well. This is where we grow buckflowers. Buckflower powder is a common pharmaceutical ingredient and it's easy to make. Take some. They'll come in useful. This will give me a peace of mind. I'll stay here and care for the injured for now, and then join up with Director Ching when we could...
Facing more Angoloi. They must be neutralized so we can push through.
No second chance.
Boys, forward! Ready to strike! Face your ass!
the anchor, but its core is not here. No. All active anchors give off that light. This anchor plunged itself deep underground. That's where its core should be. I've seen the hub base building plans. This old factory should have an underground floor that we could reach. If this basement area is stable, we should be able to reach and destroy the anchor core. Let's go, Endman. This should be the way. Landbreakers? What are they doing here?
Hear that sound? Now I'll turn on it!
Strike command! Look there, Endman. We must act now.
Why, tell us! Supervisor Prolica! The anchor! Take out the anchor!
Sterilize this area!
No second chance.
Special Operator Chen. Am I the first to arrive or what?
Nicely done, Endman. And thank goodness you arrived on time, Chen.
Awesome, right? What do you think of that move? I'll show you an even deadlier killer move next time. A single swing will take anything out, guaranteed. Administrator, I'm Chen Chen-yu, or Chen for short. If you got a problem you need trimming, my blade is yours to command. Oh, Perlica also told me about you. Every time she mentions the Enman, she just goes on and on and on.
We should check on Mr. Andre.
This hurts.
Mr. Andre, are you all right?
The lab. The prototype. Enemies! Did you fight them off? You are... Enman! You're really back! I thought you'd be here 10 days later. You're not hurt, are you? Oh, never mind that. Thank goodness you're back. Enman, it's been 10 years. We finally did it. We cracked the project you left behind. Puccini and
Endman, this is Mr. Andre, our resident Enfield technical expert at this site. He is also the chief engineer of the Automated Industry Complex.
Huh? What's with the formal intro, Supervisor Perlica? Wait, did Enman really forget? This isn't fair. Why? Why does suffering always happen to... No.
We should set aside the details for...
That's because I saw the anchor crashing into the old factory. So I rushed over here to check if the prototype was all right. Look.
Is this the contraption you were protecting? It looks really expensive. You must have spent quite a bit of time on it.
It would be unfair to say that this is my work. A friend of mine left this prototype to me. Now that the anchor has been taken out, there shouldn't be any more Angeloi around.
Leave it to us. By the way, Director Chin requests your immediate return to the control tower.
Oh, so, what was she like when she asked about me? Was she angry? Oh, dear. I'm finished.
This is an all-channel broadcast. I repeat, this is an all-channel broadcast. All Security Division combatants are to assemble at the base entrance ASAP. I repeat, assemble at the base entrance ASAP.
I believe Director Chin needs help at her place.
Go and assemble.
Chen will keep Mr. Andre safe. Let's go and support Director Chin.
Oh, Administrator, is there anything else? I have to take a closer look at this. It won't take long. Chen will keep me safe, don't worry. A machine that a friend of mine left here. I'm giving it a heat insulation coating and an expanded mobility module, amongst other modifications. I literally saw how that anchor plunged into this place with my own eyes just a while ago. If the prototype got destroyed under my care, I wouldn't know how to tell Yvonne the bad news. Anchors. We still have trouble. Speaking of which, we haven't seen an anchor strike of such a scale for a really, really long time. What on Talos is happening? Well, it seems we worked on plenty of projects. Systematized. Let's not dwell on the past for now. In any case...
Those landbreakers. Were they here to loot our base amidst the chaos, but showing up right after the anchor fall? That's too much of a coincidence. Things could be more complex than we thought. Our original plan was to deploy the protocol automation core nearby and run some tests, but with the hub base severely damaged, we need to get it up and running first. Things could be more complex than we thought. What's going on, Director Chin? Landbreakers. And so many of them.
This isn't the worst of it. Look over there.
That place. It's the deployment area we reserved for the Automation Core.
From the scale of the rising smoke columns, the deployment area has completely fallen. This area was completely surrounded by Angeloi, yet these bandits still got through. How did they manage to slip in without anyone noticing?
Those landbreakers we encountered were probably just their vanguard. Director Chin, is there anything we can use?
Security Division gathered as much intel as they could. I'll sync it with you. We have yet to recover from the anchor fall. Power's still out, and we've taken heavy casualties. The Angeloi destroyed many backup cables. Our systems are failing. The attacking landbreakers have been confirmed as the Bone Crushers. Their objective remains unclear at present. But their assault was too well timed to be accidental. If the current situation persists, we will not be able to successfully deploy the Automation Core. We can use the Resonance Tower to activate Originium for power, but its energy cost is steep. It won't last long.
We have another option available. If we can deploy the PAC, we can restore base operations.
You mean, we power the Resonance Tower with the PAC?
Yes, we can use the AIC to set up a power transmission relay. Once the Resonance Tower is activated, the base will get some respite.
But there are so many landbreakers along the way. If only we could weaken them.
Of course we can! Landbreakers? You got a team of pros, Director Chin. Enman, you saw what I did, right? I know tons about fighting these scummy LBs.
I'm afraid my creaky bones won't let me swing a weapon. But I can still offer plenty of help with the Automation Core.
But should we come up with a more foolproof plan?
Have faith in us, Director Chin. I'm not just the supervisor of Enfield Industries. I'm also the acting lead of the Enfield Crisis Team.
I'm part of it too! Excited to work with you, Enman. I'm sure there's a lot I can learn from you.
All operators accounted for. The team is ready for the mission.
Get ready? My blades are always ready, as they never... Alrighty, now let's go and teach those pipe faces what happens when you mess with Enfield.
Administrator, I'd actually prefer it if you can just stay and rest here. Fighting the Landbreakers is very different from fighting the Angeloi. The conditions of your health... Much appreciated. And so, we have a conclusion, Director Chin. The Crisis Team will whittle down enemy forces. Deploy the PAC at the death, Mr. Andre. I'll contact you once the roads are clear.
No problem. I feel so much better knowing I can finally help everyone properly this time.
Stop puffing up your feathers, old man. Administrator, Supervisor Perlica, and operate... Before I forget, the TP point is not part of the base's... We're counting on you. Endman, let's first activate the teleprotocol point. TP points will let the team move around faster, and... Andre just updated. Me about your condition. Please keep yourself safe out there.
Still waiting for something?
Operator Protoss, standing by.
I hear Originium singing.
Catcher, Op Team Z7. My role is giving the team cover and logistics support.
Why do I have to do this again?
Op Z7 Skirmisher, Fluoride.
Antal of Op Z7 reporting for duty. I've studied Originium.
Why do I have to do this again?
Op Z7 Skirmisher, Fluoride.
Captain Akikuri of Operation Team Z7 reporting in. The operations dossier, budget...
O knowledge most ancient, lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the codes of malice. I am...
Catcher, Op Team Z7. My role is giving the team...
Excuse me, is this where we sign up for the job? Nice meeting you. Name's Alesh. I like to read, and I can do angling with my eyes closed. Happy to be on board.
I am Egert. Call sign is Arclight. I am not a trained weaver of words, but I wish you well.
Still waiting for something?
What?
I'm primed for optimal performance.
What a beautiful day. Whoop, whoop.
I offer to
Wanna come snowboarding with me, Enderman? A strong team is one without any weak links.
I believe we should be better prepared.
A strong team is one without any...
distract them, disable them, or I offer.
Wanna come snowboarding with me?
The path ahead.
Distract them, disable them, or just destroy them.
Enfield Crisis Team, ready for action.
I am ready to process your command, Administrator. A frigid output.
Feel the burn! Hope you like this! Wow, those landbreakers are giving us a show of force. It's rare to see LBs this arrogant.
Of the three major Landbreaker clans, the Bone Crushers are the ones who actively respect violence. According to intel from the SOW, this clan has suddenly stopped their extended infighting and launched multiple raids on other minor factions. We don't have any further intel yet. The only thing we can confirm is that a leader has emerged and united the entire Bone Crusher clan.
What's this? Kill you!
Enfield won't stop progressing.
Our turn already? Nice. One should strike when the timing is right.
Come get some, you blight-eating scabs! Workers of the UW will never back down!
He's with the UWST. We've got to save him first.
Hear that sound? He's getting ambushed!
Terminate! Strike command! Take this! Push forward!
Fist your Ooh, I'm okay. Those LB scab eaters won't beat me that easily. Wait, you're Enfielders. I saw that anchor fall right into your base. I was just thinking about helping you out. The Angoloi and LBs kept trying to get into this place while tearing apart everything we built. We could barely hold them, and had no choice but to beat a fight in retreat. Anyway, appreciate the help. I gotta fix our facilities here. Once I'm done with that, I'll go bandit smashing with my hammer right here. I still have 2 buddies out there. If you see an Alafia and Fort, tell them to bring their arsenal. I'll get myself ready for a major slugfest. This ain't normal. Let's
target locked.
Face your
Take
Verify and report personal status, team.
Your end awaits.
That end right there!
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
Joining the party? Oh. You're...
Yes, we're Enfielders. You're wounded, and... Did you do all this?
I probably did. I got no ideas on fighting the Buggerloids, but these raiders...
We're trying to create a safe route to the hub base. You can go there to receive medical treatment.
Great. Oh, by the way, I kindly asked this pipeface here a few questions before he passed out. Blightbrain could hardly form a coherent sentence, but he sounds northern. I could faintly make out signs of trouble up north, but...
North? There is a refugee camp north of here trying to work for the UWST. But these raiders came from that direction too?
Still waiting for something?
A strong team is one without any weak links.
Distract them, disable them, or just destroy them. I'm primed for optimal performance.
Wanna come snowboarding with me, Enderman?
I am trying to.
Still breathing.
I believe we should be better prepared. Still waiting for something?
Operator Perla.
Watch this!
Empty wallet.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah. Story of my life.
Hear that sound?
I believe Germany is electrifying me!
Resin for ya.
What?
Sterilize this area!
We are united.
Here's our chance!
Done. I don't even feel tired.
Violence is never our objective. Let's press forward.
Cut the wires, you break the switches here, you smash the crates! Well, don't let boss. I'll go get him! Hold him off, boys! Fresh meat! We got fresh meat! Drop him, boys! Crush him! Crush him off! I'm gonna kill you!
Boys, forward!
Face your ass! Take this!
was within estimates.
A present? For you.
Still waiting for something?
These LBs really aren't scared of anything, huh?
This is strange. The Landbreakers built a camp here, but they did not loot the nearby areas.
That means we kept most of our stuff, right?
But it makes no sense.
So you're saying that they left most of the loot nearby, but stayed put here? It's not raiding. More like occupying.
Occupying?
Endman? Supervisor Perlica? I'm on my way with the cleanup crew. Please wait for us.
Oh, it's Big Owl. Wait, you didn't mention my name?
Oh, my legs are giving out.
Originium will carve a path for us. Still waiting for something?
The Protocol Automation Core is...
Woohoo! That's wonderful! It's just like what I've envisaged. We can totally deploy the PAC further north and push into the frontiers. Sorry. I just got a little too excited.
With the Protocol Automation Core deployed, this place is now the core AIC area.
We can begin setting up our teleprotocol network. The AIC factory will need the core AIC area to perform production work. It will also be Now that we've seen the stars, we should plant our feet on solid ground. You reminded us with this line on more than one occasion. Don't worry, Endman. We have not forgotten your lesson. The Protocol Automation Core and the entire AIC factory it supports will give rise to new hope.
I'm gonna give the automation core a few tweaks. Just deploy the relay towers and
I've allocated a batch of relay tower from our stockpile. We can now deploy.
Wow, that sounds.
Oh, you can treat it as a form of facility printing based on by using the reverse internalization technology. The automation core can serve even greater purposes. But
You know, I've seen other Hongshan swordmancers.
nicely done. Our next step is to start power transmission from the PAC. Endman! Just plug the cable in right here!
Both the PAC and relay tower seem to be in working order. Now, we just need to deploy more relay towers and transmit power to the resonance tower.
Well, looks like my work here is done. Supervisor, using the protocol resonance tower to force activate Originium might damage our facilities. If we're not careful with this, we might fry every Originium facility in the—
Okay then. Time to split our forces. Completing the automated industry complex is a top priority for Enfield Industries. It is our core solution for dealing with the hazards of Talos 2. Enfield completed basic verifications of the PAC technology several years ago. However, we encountered a crucial bottleneck that delayed our progress until recently. We're almost there, Endman.
Tell the boss. Enfield has arrived. Their administrator has taken notice of us. All the boss's predictions have come true.
Good. Connection interfaces look normal. I was worried about
I thought you Enfielders would never finish that project of yours. But you just deployed it in a flash. This tech is incredible.
We now only need a single night to construct a proper shelter in the Wildlands. What was once our dream has finally made a major stride forward.
You did a great job, Big Owl. Oh, I mean, Mr. Andre.
Oh, why so polite today, Master Chen? You got my feathers tingling and fluffed. I can hop.
I've always been like this.
Endman, Supervisor Perlica, power is back online at the hub base. Thank you so much.
Roger that, Director Chin. The automation core is working well. Perhaps we can run a few more tests. Is there anything else we can help with?
Yes, we could definitely use the support. The comms node is still under repair, so we can't contact other regions yet. And we're short-handed across the entire hub. Right now, the biggest problem is the Originium byproduct processing center. If anything happens to that place, the results could be disastrous. I'm forwarding information on the site to you.
Wait.
What's in the byproduct you mentioned? Another important project of yours?
Byproducts include all sorts of things you can think of. But Originium batteries would be the most important. I guess the LBs are after that. Let's set aside how many these raiders stole for now. The worst part is that they know little about the safe handling of flammable and explosive materials. Things will be catastrophic if they accidentally set off an Originium explosion.
Someone must have planned and coordinated this Landbreaker attack on our base. The underground lab, the Protocol Automation Core deployment area, and now, Byproduct Processing Center. Landbreakers usually wouldn't consider these as prime targets for looting and raiding.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's head over right now and check out what those pipe-faced bandits are after.
The photo tells me that the processing center has suffered severe damage. We must repair the local infrastructure first. Otherwise, we can't ensure the safety of subsequent support and repair operations.
This is where the AIC factory comes in. Let's head on over to the core AIC area right now.
Originium will carve a path for us.
Who's due for some bad luck this time?
Come on, let me do something for Enfield.
Judging by how bad that gate looks, you'll see plenty of ore formations and trees in the wilderness of Talos too. Since we lack proper gathering tools, I suppose we can hit them with our weapons.
Nice! I guess it's time to show the Endmen my new move.
Can we actually sell this?
Good. We have enough Originium ore, Endman. Now let's get started making Origo. Construction complete. We can now activate. The refining unit. Endman, you're an incredible learner. Shared facilities left by others are temporary. Feel free to try them out if you want.
This looks way worse than the photo.
Something's not right. They smashed the circuitry when the gate was closed. Those inside probably want to keep everyone out. These Origo crusts really saved us some trouble. We have Mr. Andre to thank for that. Look, the Landbreakers really turned this place upside down. They seem to be looking for something. Someone has flipped through these data files. Were some of them taken away? Some documents have been taken away. But what about the parts?
The footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
There must be somewhere! Boss wants the crate! Oh, God! We can search this place again! Keep looking! I'll poke around in other places.
Something ain't right.
Target locked!
No second chance.
Strike man! Here's our chance! Eat this! Terminate!
Have fun being the blade!
Here's our chance! I wouldn't expect anything less. Give me the front row this time. I want to be the first out of the door.
Another mission? Oh, fine. Hope it's over before I drop from exhaustion.
Clearing the way for the rescue.
You really have to put Sonic?
We are getting...
Maybe they're gone.
Keep your head down and shush.
The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Don't be afraid. We are the Enfield Crisis Team.
Yeah, we totally defeated the...
Oh, thank you all. We finally...
Our security cameras found the Landbreaker mobs heading this way. We stopped our work immediately, then...
Still waiting for something? I'll never forget the sight of them.
Since the Landbreakers are gone, we should start the emergency repairs. They should...
You stop! Drop the loot! That crate! It's ours!
Come on, let me do something. Yikes! They just won't give up. What is it, Perlick?
Endman, the automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury we don't really have. So let's try using teleprotocol and get back to the automation core. Instantly. Now that everything's settled, I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling him.
Mr. Andre, we found things you need. We also met a few fortunate UW—
Wonderful, Endman and Supervisor Perlick.
Portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated ore to power it. This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining spot. We can now produce— Cerigo crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the—
Fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype.
Endman, I received Andre's message. The Arsenal is the objective of our— I couldn't get into our closest Enfielder.
Endman, we got a high payloads. I wonder if the crisis team could do me a favor.
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to—
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral, head to the PAC and use it to construct a shred. Try to deploy the shredding unit close to the PAC. Endman, activate the shredding unit.
Time to head to the Arsenal. I haven't had proper fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling.
If I'm not mistaken, the local arsenal is managed by an arsenal engineer from Enfield.
Arsenal engineer? I remember seeing a little girl who was always running around with weapons in her arms back in Enfield. Are they related?
The arsenal engineers of Enfield Industries are professionals in all forms of armaments. The little girl you saw is actually their director. I'll probably introduce our arsenal director once we find the time. I'm sure she will get along with you and our Endman.
Simple and
Still waiting for something?
intuitive, right?
Endman, you're here!
Our turn already? Nice.
Shares the same
One should
basic
strike
control
when the
panel as
timing
the
is right.
refining unit. I say it's time to shred some Originium ore to powder.
These minerals are essential materials for Enfield.
Take this!
Piercing strike.
If only someone brought an auto mining
These minerals are essential materials for Enfield.
If only someone brought an auto mining I'll be ready in 2 more minutes.
High-quality minerals. We can probably use them for building temporary shelters.
There's no way we can get through all this rubble. Let's go and find...
You're here! Our high payload situation hasn't changed at all. I've prepped the explosives and marked the detonators. There's no risk. Ho! Endman, this barrel of Originium bombs is ready for use. Blasting... Oh! And our AIC factory has been deployed, right?
Alright. Hope I don't miss. Right on target. I give that explosion a 10 out of 10.
Chen, I remember you making quite a scene with some fireworks. Perhaps you have a knack for demolition work.
Shh! Not here! Not in front of so many people, Pearly. That happened way... Hey, you alright?
Breathing is stable. No external injuries detected. He's likely unconscious from the blast. Work ID says Semyon. His vitals look stable. Let's wake him up. Wait, Chen.
What? An anchor fault struck our base? Wait. Yeah. It's all coming back to me. There was this weapon.
Oh.
Thank you, Administrator and Supervisor Perlik. Fortunately, these are...
Originium will carve a path for us. Not too shabby.
Good. It puts my mind at ease knowing I could help.
Speaking.
Still waiting for something?
Watch this! Awesome, right? Wow, this is pretty sleek. But I can also use standard issue weaponry to unleash a healthy dose of whoop-ass. Of which, the valley won't be the only place that's getting an AIC factory, right?
Valley 4 is the first step for the AIC factory. Our plan is to deploy the AIC in various regions along the frontiers.
So what happens after that?
After that?
Yeah, once we step into the frontiers, what do you want to see? Brand new cities? Or cozy homes for everybody?
I actually hope to see all those visions you listed, but truth be told, I never thought about the question you asked. Perhaps I only hope to witness the fulfillment of a long-held wish.
Oh, a wish from Pearly? I bet it's something noble and compassionate.
No. It's not a wish from me. It came from someone else. Someone who shared it with me.
Engaged!
Right?
Oh, activation success! Can you hear me? Hello? Are you there, my little buddy? T-A-T-A? Absolutely wonderful! This proves my repair work was a...
control tower received plenty of great news from around the base. Stellar work out there, Administrator. Basic amenities of the hub area are working again. Our main comms node is currently inoperable. I've taken parts from other machines. It's a top secret component, and the backup part has been lost during the attack. Endman, I know I've already asked a lot from you, but legends speak of your miraculous work with Originium equipment. We desperately need some of those miracles right now.
Endman, there was a time when you could directly sense the operations of Originium machinery. You could even fine-tune Originium circuits on the fly. Modify gear, repair machines. Originium has a wide range of applications. We used both the Originium art. Telos 2 has plenty of Originium cultivation sites and mines. In fact, we can
At one point in our history, Originium mining led to a series of environmental and social issues. However, we had...
But the Endman has just been awakened recently. And wielding powerful forms of Originium arts will affect anyone's health. Let me try something else. We can always... Fine. But if you feel any discomfort, stop immediately.
We're all counting on you, Administrator.
Welcome to Enfield Industries.
That's a lot of new messages.
Booting up.
Someone save us! The Valley Fort! So many landbreakers! Help! Ah!
Too much noise, scumbag!
The Valley Fort seems to have fallen.
That Landbreaker, was he trying to taunt us?
An LB mob raided Andre's basement labs. Another group attacked the Originium byproduct processing center. And then there's this group.
It seems like, while our comms were down, the Landbreakers launched
simultaneous attacks across an entire region. Agreed. We need to act and respond in
Hell yeah! I say it's time for the Enfield counterattack.
Before we made our landing, I had Dijong contact all combat operators in the surrounding region.
Originium will carve a path for us.
fine product of industrial manufacturing.
The security division and the crewmates managed to find some pieces.
Every action taken. The Landbreakers seems to be pointed at Andre's prototype, Enfield Industries, and even you, Administrator. I say it's time to go.
My crusade is far from over.
And I hope that our battles may bring about peace.
Let's go over the battle plan once more, shall we?
The battlefield shows no mercy for mistakes. We must hone our skills.
Let's try to swing.
Reveal the truth.
Catcher, Op Team Z7. My role is giving the team cover and logistics. Catcher, Op Team Z7. Catcher, Op Team Z7.
Captain Akakuri of Operations. Captain Akakuri of
O knowledge most ancient, lead us.
Catcher, Op Team Z7.
Antal of Op Z7 reporting for duty. Antal.
Still waiting for something?
I offer today's dialogue and contemplation to your terminal, in reverence. Veritas is upheld by its own sanctity.
Still waiting for something?
The path.
I am trying to compose a bad joke for you.